Hello everyone, back to my channel. I don't really feel like talking today. Anyway, going to the movies, so I'm gonna do my hair. Alright, my face is really red because I just worked out like 20 minutes ago. I had to hurry up and shower and wash my face. This also just naturally, it gets really red. Anyway, so going to the movies today, and I really want to see Alita Battle Angel. So I am gonna see that. I can't wait to see it. It looks really good. I know I haven't posted a video in a while, so I figured this video could just be a little, I don't know, a little like get ready with me. I will film a little bit of where I'm going. So I'm just gonna do a little light makeup. I'm just put on my face. Well, before this I washed my face. I put on some moisturizer, and then I just put on the MAC Strobe Cream, which I love. It gives your skin this really nice luminous finish, and it like just glides on very well. So I'm gonna put on some concealer here. I have the Glossier Stretch Concealer in medium. So that's what it looks like. Anyway, I'm really excited to see Alita Battle Angel. It looks like a really good movie, and the reviews of it looked pretty good. So I can't wait. I actually was looking it up a bit because I didn't really know much about it, but I guess it's an older anime. So it looks pretty sweet. And this concealer is pretty nice. It's light coverage, but it definitely conceals the redness in my skin, which is nice. Normally, to help also with the redness, you use like a green type of concealer. It helps, it like counteracts the redness on your skin, which is pretty cool. I would put it on, but I'm running low on it, so I'm not gonna use that today. This is totally random, but yesterday was National Margarita Day. I had a mango margarita, and oh my lord, the last time I drank was New Year's Eve, and I got really messed up because I don't really drink much. So this was the first time I had like a proper drink since then, and oh my god, I was feeling it. The margarita was really good, by the way. I know I'm talking really soft, but that's because I woke up with a sore throat, so my throat kind of hurts. sometimes I actually use this concealer, like I am today. I use it as like a really light, kind of, like, even though it's a concealer, I use it like kind of like a foundation. Oops. So, yeah, I don't really know what to even talk about. I just hurry up and like set up my stuff here in the living room, and yeah. I don't know, today I was feeling really sensitive and emotional, so I don't know. Some days it just be like that. But I'm gonna get back to filming more videos. This makeup's gonna be really freaking fast. I have a few active breakouts. I broke out on my chin. I still have a bit of like scarring here from other breakouts. I've been actually using this toner from Ole Henriksen. It's a AHA toner that's supposed to help with discoloration of your skin from active breakouts and a bit of like sun damage and things like that. So it smells really good. I'm seeing a bit of a difference here, but I haven't even been using it for like a month yet, so we'll see. Now that I have the concealer on, I'm just gonna use this MAC powder to set it. Yeah, I'm not gonna put on much makeup, so I just cannot wait till my skin is actually all clear. No discoloration, no pimples. It has improved a lot from last year. It was, oh my gosh, actually it was starting to get better around this time last year, but like months before that, oh my lord, it was so bad. But it was definitely at a different place last year. Wasn't good. Now I'm just gonna curl my lashes. Use my favorite stuff ever, my Airspun loose face powder. Absolute perfection. I love it. It smells a little like old grandma perfume, but I don't care. I use this under my eyes so makeup doesn't crease. Put that all right there. I'll put some over here too. Alright. Just gonna leave that on and put on some mascara. Today's mascara is Benefit's Bad Gal, I believe. Yeah, Bad Gal. It's pretty nice. I still haven't found my favorite mascara yet. I'm just gonna put some of the powder on my eyelids because I don't want the concealer that I put there to start creasing. I think for my next video I'm gonna do after this one gets uploaded, I might post a video of me doing the Bratz challenge makeup look, which I already did do one. I just took pictures. But, I mean, that was kind of, I guess, like a practice one, but I think I'm gonna film one. That'll be kind of fun. Although I definitely need some new makeup. I have not spent money on makeup in a long time. I think I just bought ELF blush. I bought a blush, Oh, and then I just bought a mascara. That's been like the only makeup that I've really bought. So yeah, I think I'm gonna film a video like that. I really want to do a fashion one, but that one I'm still like putting together because I want that one to be a really special one. I think for the fashion one, it's gonna be more of like how I put this certain outfit together, and I'm gonna film it. I think take some parts like outside. It'll be fun. That one I have been creating in my head and like writing down on paper for a while now, because I really enjoy fashion. So that should be really interesting. Okay, now I am just going to put on this Make Me eyebrow mascara. Just gonna keep my eyebrows pretty natural. So I think I'll just take off this powder now. We'll be okay. Okay. Maybe I'll put on a little highlight. Just a little thumb. Ew, I had like a double chin going on there. Okay. Oh my god. So my Becca highlight that I have, my Champagne Pop Shattered. I know there's like a way to fix it, but I haven't done it yet. Oh my god. I love it so much. Whoa. You see that, you guys? The highlight is so magical. Alright, I think I'm done with my makeup. Now, I think I'll just put on a gloss. Fenty. This is Fenty Glow Gloss. This is Diamond Milk, the Gloss Bomb. Both Gloss Bomb. I think I might just do the milk one. Oh my god. Should I wear earrings? Yep, I'll put on my hoops. Alright, we got the hoops then. I'll fix the hair a little bit. Okay, I'll see you guys later.